best friends that anyone could have.
Hey guys, we are doing the oatmeal challenge today. We have apple cinnamon oatmeal. And the loser, whoever doesn't eat the bag first, gets eggs thrown at them. Are you ready to lose? Because there's no way you're going to win.
I think so.
Okay. Okay. Go. It's so dry. I don't like it. I really like oatmeal. Okay. First, we gotta eat this one. This is the bag that we're actually gonna eat. I got make it red. Make it red. That's very well. Evan, how far are you? Okay. I'm on my eye! It's in my eye! Oh! I burned! It freaking burned! Oh! Ow! 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 I'm so winning. It's my eye. You cannot! I don't know how you do that! No! I'm done first. You hurry up, cheater. I'm a cheater. It's in my eye. I won, so Evan gets eggs thrown at her. Are you ready, Evan? Oh, it didn't even break. It didn't even break. Those are some hard eggs. Please. There. It's in my hair. Oh. Well, thanks for watching, guys. That was our challenge. She has egg all over her. But like, subscribing, press the little button down there.